fucking bitch ass bees.
Let me try being the bait. Let me try being the bait. Oh, why? Why?
Why they like you?
They're running after me! I don't even have the beehive! Oh, this is not good! I'm dead! I am dead. No! No! Why would you leave the beehive there? Oh, my sacrifice was for nothing. Absolute nothing.
No bullshit. I got locked in there. There's a thumper, by the way.
Thumper?
Yeah, nonsense. You fucking idiot. Those are fucking clowns. What is that?
That's Sean.
Fucking dumbass. I'm a bigger dumbass trying to grab his body. Oh my god! Oh my god!
It's the Karo, bitch!
Oh!
Oh, there's side!
Why would you grab it?
Fuck you, man! I can't. You guys clowned me instantly. It was your idea. Fuck you, Renee. That's what you get for telling me I'm an idiot. They don't know.
Still here. You go?
Because we needed the money.